Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for being here today. Across Illinois, many people are working 40 hours or more a week, but find themselves unable to afford basic necessities. We're gathered here today because we cannot stand by while so many people in our state are struggling. United Ways across the state of Illinois have come together to better understand the needs of households experiencing this situation. This morning, we're proud to launch the report, ALICE in Illinois, a financial hardship study. ALICE, which stands for Asset Limited, Income Constrained Employed, are individuals and families who are working, have income above the federal poverty level, and often do not qualify for government support programs. However, they still aren't making enough to meet the cost of living in Illinois, even when those costs are calculated conservatively. Despite the economic recovery, the proportion of households who fit this description has been on the rise. Today, 36% of households in the state are struggling to make ends meet. We all know Alice. Alice is the home health care worker who helps seniors stay in their homes and live independently. Alice is the daycare worker who looks after our children so we can go to work each day. Alice fixes our cars, works in our local grocery store and retail stores, and serves dinner at our favorite restaurants. As the board chair of United Way of Illinois and the president and CEO of United Way of Champaign County, I see the needs of Alice every day. These individuals and families are doing everything they can to achieve stability and provide for their loved ones, but too often in Illinois today, there is simply no way to manage this without additional support. Local United Ways work with community partners to help meet the needs of their neighbors who need it most, but it is critical that change happen on the state and local levels, or the number of Alice households will continue to rise. The strength and vitality of our state is dependent on all of its residents having what they need to support their families and plan for the future. Nationwide, United Ways have identified several public policy tools to support Alice households, including expansion of the Earned Income Tax Credit, modification of the benefit cliff, and expansion of early childhood education programs. At United Way, we want the launch of this report to be the beginning, not the end, of action on behalf of Alice in Illinois. The data doesn't discriminate. This is an issue that should bring us together across regional and political lines. Today's speakers have each personally been impacted by Alice in a different way, either through the work that they do or their family circumstances. Please listen as they share their perspectives on Alice. Listen to their recommendations about what we need to do to make lasting change that will impact Alice households and in turn strengthen our whole state. Then go back home and continue these conversations in your communities. Alice lives in every city and town in Illinois. What are we going to do to help our neighbors? Thank you.